All right, at number 41, you can see that all four sides are congruent, making it a rhombus. So it's a rhombus, which means it's definitely a parallelogram, which means opposite angles are definitely congruent, and consecutive angles are definitely supplementary. So 90 plus 90. So we have ourselves a rectangle and a rhombus. And so we should be able to figure out perimeter and area, no problem. For the perimeter, we'll just do side plus side plus side plus side, four sides. And for the area, since it's a rectangle, we can just find the side and multiply it by itself. Side squared, or side times side. All right, well, they give us this dimension of 7. So 7 must be this dimension right here. We know that if it's a parallelogram, then the diagonals bisect each other. So if that's 7, then this is 7 as well. We know that since it's also a rectangle, it has 4 right angles, then the diagonals are congruent. So if this is 7 and that's 7, then this diagonal is also 14 units long, and it's been bisected, so that's also 7 and 7. But to find the perimeter, we need the side lengths. Well, rhombus's diagonals will always be perpendicular, so we've got some right angles in here. And if this is an isosceles right triangle, 7 units and 7 units, then it's a 45, 45, 90. And do you remember how we can go from the leg of a 45, 45, 90 to the hypotenuse? You multiply it by the square root of 2. So every side length is 7 root 2. And now we can find the perimeter and the area. The perimeter is 4 times the side length, which is 7 root 2. So the perimeter is 28 root 2. Done. And the area is the side length times the side length. Or if you prefer, the side length squared. So the area is equal to, the numbers on the outside can multiply. 7 times 7 is 49. And the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 4. Or in other words, 49 times 2, which is 98. So the area is 98 square units, and the perimeter is 28 radical 2 units. By the way, if we'd left it this way, side squared, then algebraically, when you square a product, each factor will be squared. And again, that gives us 49 times the square root of 4, which is 2. All right, well, I hope that helped. Number 40 was a 30, 60, 90, so nobody asked about that one. But I encourage you to review your knowledge and skills about the 30, 60, 90 triangle, so you can do problem like number 40.